Yo, what is going on? It is 3:15, Monday, May 18th. No trades today. Um really was stuck on trying to take along, but it's a no news Monday on a week where we don't even have red folder. I think we have FOMC minutes maybe on Wednesday. So, right. Oh, Trump tweet 13 minutes ago. Wait. Before we even get into today. Trump tweet. Yeah, I figured. Yep, makes sense. Okay. Yeah, this week we only have FOMC meeting minutes. Oh no, we have orange folder at least tomorrow. Some orange folder throughout the week. Okay. I thought it was less. I didn't really check the whole week, but let me see if I can get this to redabble so that I can show you why we took no trades today. So coming into the day, we started trending up. Hold on, let the indicator load. I've been using the indicators. It's actually been helping me as far as work goes with SMTs and everything. Makes trading a lot more seamless. Just because it marks out everything that I personally do mark out. So shout out to Will for making the indicator. Why is it taking so long to load? We are at home. Okay, right. So we take a look. Like, obviously, we were SMT'd at this low too. Let me pull up ES. This low was internally SMT'd, I believe, right? There was an SMT somewhere at this low, I felt like. I definitely feel like there was something with an SMT at this low. Whatever, right? We started pumping up from here. This move at 7 o'clock is what made this pump up. I'm going to stick with that bullish bias. We've respected midnight open beautifully. I'm going to want to see reasoning to want to continue lower. Obviously, I like the draws on liquidity lower more. My apologies if you can hear the vacuum in the background. But I like the lower draws on liquidity in London and Asia lows. However, order flow wise, we are bullish. There was this play I actually really liked. I just liked it. It was this 30 second. Was hoping we could get down into this 1 minute. Take this 30 second. Right here up to this internal high, just quick and easy. So boom, as you can see right here, all right, we start to see 9:30 does open up lower into this 5 minute, which we get created at 9:30. So boom, we do end up getting into this 5 minute, which is now when I want to see, where is it at? It was this 5 minute over here more so. All right, so we do end up manipulating into it, and I would want to see us essentially just get this inverse with nice displacement, but that never happens. There was one play that I say like maybe I would have taken. So boom. No, just no inverses, no rebalancing of any price legs. I'm still set on the cool. Like I'm still okay with longing off of this. Right here. I think this was the play. Was this the play? It was off of this. No, it wasn't. It was not at all, no. Okay, now we start to see more structure, right? So we get into this 5 minute. We bounce, like we're just bouncing around gaps. Like boom, we tag into this 15 minute. We tag into this 5 minute. It looks like we're about to inverse this 5 minute. But here's what I liked. I believe it was this. Let me just refresh my memory. It was this 1 minute because we had an internal SMT at this 1 minute. Yes, we did. It was this 1 minute exactly. Internal SMT up here. When this is like when I should have realized this, right? So we create that internal SMT. We're rejecting off of this 5 minute. This is the only play that I say like I should have taken low key. Like maybe could have taken, right? Beautiful displacement through the 30 second. 1 minute gets inverted as well. 30 seconds a little bit lower, but we'd enter on the 30 second. The only thing that I did not like, let's take a look right at the candle of the inverse, right? This is why I did not take it. Candle of the inverse, what are we going to target? This 5 minute isn't opened yet. This 5 minute opens at 55. That 5 minute opens at 10. It's 57. So we don't even know if this 5 minute is, it's for certain going to open. Obviously, we're obviously going to think it's going to open. We've seen NQ do funkier things. It's just the SMT with the nice displacement of the inverse, but that does not get formed until right here. It doesn't get confirmed. That 5 minute doesn't get confirmed until here, and we already, like, unless you take like a limit order, like it's not really in my repertoire to like be doing this, it'd be something like this. Isn't really who I am as a trader to target that internal low, break even at the 5. See, would I have even gotten filled? Nope. Would I have gotten filled? So that's why I didn't take that trade. But the confluences behind this trade is not bad. I even think that we tapped into like, did we get into? No, we didn't get into any. Oh, now all that shit wants to show up. We didn't get into any. No, we did. Yeah, we did. Okay. EQ of the range, rejecting out of the 5-minute, SMT at that high. This is a really good setup. There's just no strong draw on liquidity. Maybe if this 15-minute hadn't been mitigated, but then I get my entry right here, which honestly would have been perfect to get in on this candle, because this would have been that if that 15-minute doesn't get mitigated. And that delivers beautifully, right? But it had already gotten mitigated. And after that, man, there really was not anything, because what are the draws on liquidity? I don't see any strong draws on liquidity like this again, and another SMT inside of this 15-minute. To target what? 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 Oh shit, that's a 16-minute. To target what? Why's my 5-minute? To target what? This 5-minute maybe? But we're already SMT'd at this 5-minute high. We're already SMT'd here, right? So what would this have been? This would have been the entry maybe if we get the displacement through it. Let's see. I was low-key mentally checked out by now. What is this? 10? Yeah, but I'm not gonna lie. Like, once I seen there was no really, like, strong draws on liquidity, I just wanted to see a move towards a strong draw to even want to get in on anything. Now, this is too... Low-key have to run it like this. Let's see. I don't like that. Yeah, no. See? Fucked. Actually, low-key, that displacement's not bad. But, yeah, would have gotten completely fucking raped. And then there's just no strong draws on liquidity is the only thing. Like, we never got near a session high or low. You see, like, it just, I don't know. I don't know. There was nothing for me that I see myself taking as far as this model goes. Again, maybe this 5-minute could have been something, but I don't know. It just nothing was like, the draws on liquidity weren't like, hey, come fuck me. And then around here, what did I see around here? Let's double check that. I don't know why I'm faintly. Oh, yeah, that 5-minute. There's like a 1-minute down here, which once it inversed, which it never did until. Never did. Yep. 1 minute to the 5-minute never happened. I was already off by 1050. So yeah, that's why I took no trades today. Just let's see what we got tomorrow. We have some orange folder, hopefully put some volatility. Oh my gosh, low sweat stain. Hopefully put some volatility and hopefully we can take something. Changes are going to be happening soon, so let's just keep working, man. Let's just keep working. With that being said, peace, love, positivity. Thank you for tuning in.